All right, what up, folks? I just wanted to make this video about HostGator, especially if you're looking for hosting or if you've never had hosting before. I would definitely say to start with HostGator. If you click the link below this video to take you to this web page that you're currently looking at, you'll have to click web hosting once you get to the home page, and then that'll take you to this page here. This is normally what people are looking for, though. So these prices here are set up for if you buy, I think, a year or two in advance, and then it'll be this low. But I just started at the month by month, which made the price I think around $11.95, and that's for the baby plan, which is what people will normally need. If you go with this plan, you'll only be able to set up one website, one domain, but with this one you get unlimited, and it's plenty of space, plenty of space. So they also have WordPress hosting, which is a little more expensive, but all of my websites are all of my websites are WordPress, and all of my websites are hosted on a baby plan for HostGator. So I'm not sure exactly how necessary that is, and all of my pages load fast, so they're ranking in Google and stuff like that. So that's never really been a concern for me. But it's very easy to set this up, and if you ever run into any problems or whatever, there's tons and tons of tutorials on YouTube. I think they offer tutorials as well, but there's tons of tutorials on YouTube on how to set up everything from A to Z. So that's why I like them. I help people set up websites and stuff as part of my business as well. So whenever there's a spot that I can't help them with, like over the phone or through text or email, I always just send them a link to a YouTube video so they can watch that, and usually they email me back and let me know that everything's working again. The only thing that I would suggest, that I wouldn't say get the free domain. I would say use a service like GoDaddy or Namecheap, someone like that instead, and you'll be able to get your domains from there. Only because I like to keep the people who do what they do, I like to let them shine at that. So say, for example, HostGator is a hosting service. I don't like to use them for domains. GoDaddy and Namecheap are domain services. I don't like to use them for hosting. So I like to keep those things separate. But since I've been using HostGator, I've never really had any issues with them being down or anything and not being able to access a website. So that's never really been an issue. But I just like to keep those things separate. So that's really it. Like I said, it's their customer support is great too. So like if you're like, say for example, if you get stuck and you don't want to use a YouTube video or anything like that to kind of walk through the steps, you can get on the phone with someone or use their chat feature. I've used their chat feature to fix so many issues without even having to get on the phone with them, but their customer service is amazing. So that's why I like them too. With these types of things, especially if you're not technically savvy. I've been with them for about 10 years now. It's going on 11 years now. But I've been with them for a very long time, and I've been able to work through every single issue with them. But if you're not as tech savvy, that's why I like to start people here, because to me it's just so simple to get the stuff set up. And when you're dealing with this stuff, it can be very frustrating if you can't get like human help. And they provide that very well. So that's pretty much all I want to say about them. Like I said, if you click the link below this video, it'll take you to the HostGator homepage, and then all you have to do is click web hosting, and that'll take you here with these three options. And the one that I would recommend is the baby plan. All right, thank you folks for watching. Have a good one.